Hello guys, you welcome to my channel once more, and it's your boy still FX. We're here with another episode. This strategy I'm about to give you is gonna blow your mind. It's just a very simple strategy. Will make everything simple so that it's easy for you to understand and apply it on your real account. This strategy has been tested and is trusted. You understand? So what's the strategy all about? It's simply the cross of the moving average, not your regular way of setting on your moving average, but this particular moving average is a killer. It's a killer. It's going to change your way of trading the market, and it's really profitable. It's really profitable if you follow the step-by-step guide on how you're gonna trade this strategy. So this strategy is simply uh, two main things you need to take note of. The first one is your time frame. We'll be making use of the 15-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame, and this is a good scalping strategy that I'm about to share with you. So if you go to your 15 minutes, as you can see, my indicator is already on board. So what to simply do is if you are using the 15 minutes and the market is on a trending market, what you simply do is very simple. Very simple. I'm not going to waste much of time because this strategy, I've used it to to even grow an account of 2 point something dollar. Currently now we are at least going to $100 now currently on this particular strategy. So this strategy is simply wait for the market to cross this moving average. If you are taking the buy, you wait for it to cross this moving average. So what you do after this close of this bullish candle, 15-minute bullish candle, the next candle, that is what will be taken. That's what you'll be taking. Very simple. That's what you'll be taking. As you take the candle, what you simply do is you're just taking just three 15-minute candle and you're out of the market. 15-minute candle, three, then you're out of the market. So this will be your exit. Isn't it? 15-minute candle, three to be your exit, and you're out of the market. It's a very, very, very sweet strategy that if you really follow up with it, you can make a lot of money with this strategy without even stressing yourself, without wasting much of your time in the market, without wasting much of your time. So you just take three candles and you're out. Then the same to go for the bearish move, which is a spike, because this crash 1000 boom 1000, they have spikes and they count candles. So if you are counting the candles, just count three 15-minute candles. Then the for the bearish movement, after you've seen a close in the downside, the downside of the moving average, which is a 99 moving average. The downside, if you see a close on it, just simply take your trade here. Just simply take your trade here. The next candle that is opening, take your trade there. Then wait for it to wait for it to give you 15-minute candlestick three. Isn't it? Simple, just 3. Are you seeing it? That if you take it here, just wait for it to give you 3 15-minute candle, then you are out of the market. Are you seeing it? It's very, very simple. Anytime it does this, it moves. Look at it. Look at it. See another, look at another example here. So if you take this market at this particular point, take this market at this particular point here, to take this market at this particular point here, then take 3 candle. Are you seeing it? 3 candle, you're out of the market before anything spiked. Okay, there's another example here. There's another example here. Look at this example. This one closes bullish here, and if you can see, are you seeing it? You can see closes bullish here. Look at the first candle. 1, 2, 2, 3. You are out of the market. So if you are not greedy, you'll be taking a good trade. You're taking a good trade, and when you're using a proper risk management for this particular strategy that I'm showing you, you find it difficult to lose to the market. You find it very difficult to lose to the market. And very soon, sir, I'll be doing a live trading on this particular strategy on the next episode of this. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, simply subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, because immediately I immediately I drop a new, or I drop the second episode of this strategy, you will be among the first to see it and start using it in the market. So let me show you the setting of the moving averages. Let me show you the settings. So the first setting is the period is 99. The period is 99. Then method is simple. Then apply to high. Then your style. Then press OK. You are good to go. And if you, it's the same thing with those people who are using the mobile phone. It's the same setting. As far as you know how to put your indicators in your chart, that's fine. It's the same setting. You understand? Then the second one is simply the same thing, but kind of changed in some other way. So the period of this is 99. Then the method is simple. Then apply to is low. Apply to is low. Then you can choose whatever color you wish to use. Then you press your OK button. You will see your moving average, and you simply just stick to the breakout of this moving average. As it crosses the moving average, that 15-minute closes, you can take the next candle, take three candles after that close of that particular candle, and leave the market. And leave the market. You see that you'll be making good profit if you're not stingy, or if you're not greedy in the market. You understand? That is just it. So do well to backtest it on your demo account before using it on your real account. That is just what I have for you today. And really, this channel is dedicated to give you value. And I know if you have watched to this particular point, I know you have learned something from it. So please give it a like and drop your comment, and you can ask any question. Then any video you want me to do, anything you don't understand in the forex market that you want me to put you through, you can simply drop it on the comment section. I'll gladly explain to my abilities. So this is that. Just what you do, have a proper risk management, and use the strategy and start making money in the market.